my friend Sean Lundy from Ireland wrote to me saying, Jose, you forgot to mention something important in MITRE. So this video, forgive me for not putting it in part 2 of MITRE, but I'm going to fix that right now. So if we take any one of the MITRE 2 templates that we have, let's actually go straight here into the coverage matching report, right? And you are going to see that, for example, here on impact, I don't have anything at all, right? And I want to improve that. So there's no rule in QRadar, but if I were to select each and every one of those techniques within the tactic, so I do control, and I'm going to select them all, right? And I keep scrolling down. Going to get them all here. This one as well. More. Oh, there are more. Yeah, 3, 4 more. So once I have them all, and this might be not that obvious, but remember that there is a filter in here that says include non-installed content extensions. So basically what I'm doing by applying this additional filter and clicking here, apply the filter, I'm instructing the use case manager, go into the App Exchange and find out if there are any additional rules I can bring here to improve my situation on impact. And of course, this can be on anyone. And that's actually interesting because it comes back with 8 rules that I can add. So I can look at, for example, this one and see what's the detail. Oh, look at that. This is a rule that comes from a package, actually from a business partner, ScienceSoft. I think I did a video on this with those guys before on some QRadar tuning. And if you go into the App Exchange and look for that, you certainly are going to get a couple of rules for MITRE, particularly for Linux. It's actually very nice. Let's actually close this here and take a look at others, other packages. When we click here, this one is in the IBM container extension, container content extension package. Okay, so it's again might be a little trivial, but it's a quick way of making sure that if you want to improve the coverage of one of your particular tactics, that you can, with a click, see what's actually in the App Exchange, and that yellow square is a reminder that this thing is not installed on your system. But you can easily, you see me doing this before, you can go into the actual extension and install it.